Can somebody explain here what is growth and development? What have you understood? Any of you?
2-3 minutes हम discuss करते हैं, then we
Yes.
continue, right?
So
The
somebody,
growth is something like physical growth, and it stops at a point of time, and development is which is keep on going throughout our life.
okay, good. Can somebody give an example of this? What she has told the concept. Somebody else can
एक
give the
difference
example.
बताओ, ऐसे करते हैं, एक difference बताओ कोई भी. What is the difference between growth and development? Okay, I'll take the name. चेतना मैम आप difference बताएं one. वो difference between growth and development. उसके बाद जसप्रीत बताएंगे एक difference, फिर नील मैडम, फिर रिधिमा मैम. हाँ जी.
Sir, as Samuel sir told the example in the last class only for of our hands, like वो growth time तक होता है, but उसके बाद development is keep on going as we learn more things to do with our hands.
Okay, एक difference ये हो गया. Okay, कि जो हैंड है, चेतना मैडम ने ऐसे बोला है कि जो हैंड है वो ग्रो करते हैं लाइक, लेकिन टू सम पॉइंट. ओके, जो डेवलपमेंट होती है, डेवलपमेंट इट इज ए कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस, राइट. सेकंड बताओ, जसप्रीत, नील मैडम या रिधिमा, कोई भी बता सकते हैं.
मैंने क्लास मिल गई थी लास्ट टाइम वाली.
कोई बात नहीं, आप संगीता मैम कोई भी बताओ. आप चलो ऑल ऑफ यू कोई भी बता सकता है. रेज कर लिए हैंड. अब तो वीडियो नजर आई नहीं.
just like height can stop at some stage, but the development of the body never can be stopped.
हाँ, डेवलपमेंट जो है वो कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस है. ठीक है,
Yes,
इसको
sir.
थोड़ा और रिफाइन कर दीजिए. जो डेवलपमेंट है, राइट, जो इट इज ए रिलेटेड विद, इट इज ए लाइफ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस है. इस वे में आपको डिफरेंस इसका लिखना है. ठीक है, ये इसका दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट.
Development is structural as well as functional and often results in functional efficiency and integration.
राइट, बिल्कुल ठीक है. राइट, कोई और बता सकता है? और कोई डिफरेंस? सैमुअल आप ऐड कर दीजिए इसमें. हाँ जी.
Yeah, I think whatever they are telling is right. You know,
ठीक है,
so I think
right.
yes.
ओके, और आपका था एक इंडियन डॉलर सेंट्स का आपने करवाया था. ठीक है ना सर?
Yes, sir.
एक सैमुअल सर, इंपॉर्टेंट एक टॉपिक आता है इंडियन डॉलर सेंट का.
Yes.
What is the need and problems of the Indian adolescents?
Adolescents.
बहुत बार आया हुआ है, 10 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है, राइट.
Yes.
ये आपका गाइस हो गया था लास्ट टाइम कवर्ड ये.
Yes, sir. We have gone through it.
ओके, तो एटलीस्ट आपने मुझे 10 पॉइंट्स बताने हैं सभी ने. ठीक है, हैंड रेज करके एक एक पॉइंट बताएंगे, राइट. क्वेश्चन मेरा ये है, व्हाट इज द नीड एंड प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ इंडियन एडोलेसेंट्स? यस,
Need and
हाँ जी बताएं. यस, उसमें से देख के बता रहे हो. स्टार्ट कर दो आप लोग. पंजाबी यूनिवर्सिटी पटियाला वाले स्टूडेंट्स एटलीस्ट स्टार्ट कर दो. आपके 1 या 2 अप्रैल से पेपर स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. ठीक हो गया बेटा?
सर, नीड ऑफ फ्रीडम, नीड ऑफ सिक्योरिटी.
एक एक बताओ. ओके, यस, नीड ऑफ फ्रीडम हो गया, राइट. और
नीड ऑफ सिक्योरिटी.
ठीक है, नहीं बस ठीक है, आप डन. एक एक पॉइंट्स बताना है सभी ने. आप इतने पर्संस हैं, काफी हैं. आई थिंक एटलीस्ट 30 अराउंड 30 के आसपास पर्संस हो गए हैं, राइट.
और जिनको ऑडियो का इशू है, आप चैट बॉक्स में भी लिख के सेंड कर सकते हो आपके रिस्पॉन्सेस.
हाँ जी, नीड एंड प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ इंडियन एडोलेसेंट्स. 2 पॉइंट्स हो गए. नीड ऑफ फ्रीडम, नीड ऑफ सिक्योरिटी. और बताएं पॉइंट.
Sir,
Yes.
need for recognition, need for love.
Need for recognition is very good. Need for love, right.
Sir, adjustment problems.
Adjustment
problem. ठीक है सैमुअल, all right. हाँ, it is good. Okay. Yes.
Social problem.
Social problems. Okay. अच्छा, ये ना आपने you have seen that ये ऐसा टॉपिक है, मतलब you can make the point by yourself also.
Yes,
right?
sir.
Don't you can say that कि बस बुक में 5-10 पॉइंट लिखे हैं.
So friendship and relationship.
Friendship and relationship, very
Sir,
good.
academic pressure, peer pressure.
Yes, peer pressure. Peer pressure, madam, it is better. Peer pressure, yeah.
Some media influence.
Huh?
media
Financial concern.
Financial concern, right. Okay, Geet ma'am. Okay.
Liquidity.
Yes. Good. Self-identification. This is the important point. Okay.
Yes.
Right. वो recognition वाला आ गया point जो भी बताया था किसी ने. ठीक हो गया?
Psychological need.
Financial concern, psychological needs. So all are correct answers. Okay. इसको बस आपने you have to write and you have to explain in 4 or 5 lines. ठीक है guys? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Samuel, I think हमारी discussions हो गई है, हाँ?
Yes, yes,
So
we'll move
you
on to
can
the next
continue the,
topic.
हाँ, you can continue the lecture, right, Samuel?
All
Over
right,
to
all
you.
right.
Okay.
Good. So guys, I think you have already revised it. So we are moving on with the rest of the topics for today. Today, basically, we are going to cover certain topics like individual differences. We're going to cover intelligence, motivation, and last one, the children with special needs, learners with special needs. These are 4 topics we're going to cover today. So we are going to begin with the first topic, that's the individual difference, and that is given on your page, on the book that's given to you on the page 73.
Sir, learning of paper 2 and learning of paper 3 both are same, or there is any difference?
Sir can answer that better.
Learning of Hina madam, क्या बताया आपने? Learning of paper 2 means?
सर पेपर 2 में भी लर्निंग है एंड इन पेपर 3 टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस में भी लर्निंग है.
हाँ, बिल्कुल सही है. एक तो ये देखिए बहुत ही अच्छा इन्होंने पूछा है क्वेश्चन इन्होंने. ओके, आप लोग सभी सुनिए गाइस. जैसे जैसे आप बीएड का सिलेबस आपका होता जा रहा है, फर्स्ट पेपर हो गया, सेकंड, ओके, जैसे 5 पेपर हो जाएंगे ना, यू विल कम टू नो दैट कि ऑल द पेपर्स आर इंटर रिलेटेड. एटलीस्ट 30-40% जो सिलेबस है आपस में इंटर रिलेटेड है, राइट? जैसे आपने पेपर 1 कर लिया था, ओके, पेपर 1 में आपने आइडियलिज्म किया था, प्रैग्मेटिज्म किया था, नेचुरलिज्म किया था, रियलिज्म किया था, ओके. अगर आपने गांधी को भी अगर पढ़ लिया होगा तो गांधी की फिलॉसफी मोस्ट ऑफ आइडियलिस्टिक है.
यस सर.
रविंद्रनाथ की, टैगोर की फिलॉसफी मोस्टली नेचुरलिस्टिक है.
नेचुरलिज्म.
सिमिलरली जो सर ने आपको करवाया लास्ट टाइम या मैंने करवाया होगा लर्निंग का आपको, राइट? लर्निंग क्या चीज है, फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग द लर्निंग, राइट? अब पेपर 3 के अंदर भी आपका लर्निंग है. देखो, टीचिंग एंड लर्निंग है टॉपिक पहले वाला, फिर है रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन टीचिंग एंड लर्निंग. तो सारा का सारा वही पॉइंट आएगा, ओके. और एक चीज और मैं आपको बताता हूं, दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, वो ये है, हमने ट्रायल एंड एरर थ्योरी की थी, अगर आपको याद होगा तो. ट्रायल एंड एरर थ्योरी की थी ना हमने,
यस
ठीक है
सर.
ना? थॉर्नडाइक वाली थ्योरी की थी हमारी,
यस
ठीक है?
सर. कैट एक्सपेरिमेंट.
कैट एक्सपेरिमेंट, ठीक है. उसका फाउंडर कौन था, क्या नाम था? अभी
Thorndike.
थॉर्नडाइक, ठीक है.
Thorndike.
थॉर्नडाइक एक्सपेरिमेंट था. वो जो थ्योरी थी गाइस, आपने याद रखना है, वो थ्योरी थी बिहेवियरिज्म की थ्योरी थी.
बिहेवियरिज्म.
वो बिहेवियरिस्ट था, ओके, राइट? तो ये बिहेवियरिज्म भी आपका पेपर 3 में है, अगर आप देखो तो ध्यान से,
यस सर.
है ना, बिहेवियरिज्म टॉपिक, राइट? तो उसके अंदर भी आप सारा वो पूरा डिफाइन कर सकते हैं, राइट? तो तभी मैं बोल रहा हूं कि इसको थोड़ा अपना पढ़ो, इंटर रिलेटेड है, कई चीजें आपको ऑलरेडी ही क्लियर हो जाएंगी, राइट? तो हिना मैडम का क्वेश्चन जो पूछा था इन्होंने कि जो पेपर 2 में लर्निंग है, पेपर 3 में लर्निंग है, वो सेम है. आप सेम पॉइंट्स लिख सकते हैं उसके, वो सेम है बच्चे. ठीक हो गया? हाँ जी सैमुअल. यस
Yes, so shall we carry on?
यस
यस
यस.
सर.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine. All right. Are you able to see a screen?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are going to cover the topic individual difference. Now, I would like to ask from you by looking at this term, individual differences, what comes to your mind?
Physical differences, emotional differences.
Yes.
Okay, now if you forget about anything, you look at your life and you look at the children around you, you know, what kind of, even in the same house, you find a lot of difference, is it?
Yes, sir.
Even the twins have got a lot of individual differences. You know, there are two kind of twins. One is monozygote, second one dizygote. No, जो monozygote twins होते हैं, उनके more than 50% जो उनके होते हैं ना, जो traits होते हैं, they are more or less the same. But again, only 50%. You know, imagine. So that means even the twins and the same siblings within the same family will have a lot of difference. But here we are talking about a huge class. You know, as a teacher, if you look at, you have a 50 students that you're dealing with. And when you're dealing with the 50 students in the class, imagine at home, you got 1 or 2 children, and how difficult it is. I think it's more difficult to manage your 2 kids at home than managing the 50 kids in the class. Am I right?
Yes.
You know, so So that is I would say that the individual difference is something that we really need to understand, because this is not just a topic to be studied just for B.Ed, now if you look at why do we experience a lot of conflicts in our relationship, why do we have a conflict with other people? Because there are individual differences. Now for example, when you get married, even though it's a love marriage, even though you have selected the life partner, but still, unless and until you respect and accept the individual differences in the other person, I think one of the problem that we mentioned, you mentioned the problem of adjustment, is it? So we'll learn to adapt and adjust. And these individual differences, they are right from the beginning. So I request all of you to kindly mute your
You are on mute.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All
sir.
right.
Sir.
So I was
Yes.
talking about that is this individual difference, you really need to understand the concept, because when the topics come, you have to write so many pages, so you can only write more points. See, I personally, I have studied in Bangalore. I did my MSc in psychological counseling in 2011 to 13. So even the Bangalore University required a lot of content you have to write in the paper. There were big, huge sheets like Punjab University are 36 pages. So there, I could say that our teachers used to really clarify the concept, and we used to come up with the points, but just looking at the surroundings. So if you don't understand the concept, let me tell you, if you don't understand the deeper meaning of individual difference, you will be just limited to the bookish knowledge or the points that are given to you just to pass the exams, but if you really understand the deep meaning of the individual, you will just look into your life, you will just look into your surroundings, and you can go on generating points after point. Okay, so individual difference is something that we really need to understand. So now let's try to, I think you have made the concept clear to you. Now we are going to look at, there are two kind of individual differences, majorly what we talk as per the syllabus: inter and intra individual differences. Now if we talk about inter individual difference, are those which are within a person. For example, if you look at intra individual variability, it's within a person, an indicator of the functioning of the central nervous. Like you will say, there a lot of, we can say, uh, intra is within and inter is between people. Now there may be a lot of, we can say, variabilities, lot of things that are happening. Like for example, now you have a certain belief about something that you got it from your family, is it? As hereditary, the parents have been following certain belief, you got it, but now as you grow up, you come across another belief, is it? Now that belief is contradicting with your belief, so what the problems that are being generated within you, that's connected within your, that's why the same concept goes with the intra individual conflict, and inter individual conflict. The conflict you have within yourself and the conflict you have with your people, and this differences leads to conflict within yourself and with other people. Sometimes कुछ होता है ना, किसी ने आप कुछ बोल दिया है, somebody told you something which is not according to your taste, something that you don't like it, there is a conflict within you, though it is happening because of the belief coming from outside, but it's happening within. But sometimes happens, there is a we can say you go and burst out and there's a lot of argument, it happens in the more of in the verbal form, then it's happening with the other person. It can also happen with the teams, It can happen within yourself. It can happen with a group of people, with a group of teachers. So these are the things we need to understand, as this inter-individual variability and inter and intra. You know, inter is always going within, intra is within, inter is between. You know, so this is something, this is one of the concept which you really need to understand, the two kind of major difference that usually comes in the exams as per the syllabus. Now, as we move on, what are some of the causes, you know, of individual difference? What could be some of the reasons if you look at why we are different, why my child is different from the other child, why every child in the class is different? There are mainly two major factors, but under that we can develop a lot of points. You know, now if you look at your, according to your syllabus, you know, there are many things given here. The causes of the individual difference, you know, if you look at here, if you just look at your notes, heredity, environment, race and nationality, sex, age, intelligence, temperament, emotional stability, economical condition, education. These are some of the causes that are mentioned on your book. Is it? Are you able to see there? Now, but if you look at, if you just broadly divide this into two major categories, you can just say that nature and nurture. Nature is to do with your heredity and genetic contributions to human development, biological and neurological drivers of development, range of variations in timing and not sequence, something I spoke last time, the prenatal stage at the time of growth and development of the child within the womb, the things the child is getting developed. Right now, he is not directly exposed to the nature, but a mother is exposed to the nature, is it? So now we'll say in what surrounding, in what kind of environment mother is getting nurtured, you know, it is developing the nature of the child within, you know. So no, that's something that goes biological, genetic, hereditary. Now second is the nurture. Nurture are the mostly the environmental factors. You know, we are environmental factors, how the environmental factors that are, we will also look at in the upcoming when we are talking about the intelligence. We'll see one of the theory which talks about two factor theory. We'll be talking what is a general intelligence and the specific. You know, general intelligence is that we get by birth. All of us, we have some general factors of intelligence. Then the specific factors of intelligence that are developed when you are, that depending on what kind of environment you have been brought up, what kind of surrounding is given to that is directly connected with the nature. So understand the nature and nurture concept. Clear? All right, now let's look at some of the educational implications of individual differences. Now if you look at, this theory is helpful in developing different types of attitudes in children. You know, this theory can help you understand the different types and different kinds of attitude of children. Good habits can be developed in children on the basis of conditional response theory. You know how you can condition or recondition. Now whatever habits your child is having right now, they are being conditioned. Conditioning has been done. You can recondition them, you can reprogram them, you know, depending on what kind of desire. But again, that can only happen only mostly in the initial level, which is quite easier. As the child becomes a teenager, as I told you, as he becomes an adolescent, it's difficult to bring about a change. The spirit of discipline can be inculcated in children with the help of this theory. The teacher can use this theory to conduct teaching work, keeping the individual difference of children in mind. All right. The teacher can also use this theory for eradicating children's fear. Children have a lot of fear, is it? So this theory can also be used. So now Thorndike try and error theory, you know, or SR bond theory, I think, which you have already learned, which sir has covered, try and error. Through that, you can also use this and remove lot of errors, and lot of individual difference which the children are having. So I hope the topic of individual difference is clear.